want to connect a USB drive to your ONN Roku TV so that you can watch USB content. So let me show you your ONN Roku TV's USB port location and how to play photos or videos from the USB storage. First of all, make sure that your USB storage has the NTFS, FAT32 or exFAT format. Then you just need to store all your media files that you want to view, and then find your ONN Roku TV's USB port. This will be at the back alongside the other HDMI ports. If you don't see it on the side panel, then also check the bottom panel, as in most Roku TV models, the USB port will be at the bottom along with the antenna and Ethernet port. So now just plug in your storage, and on your TV you will see this pop-up. So to allow access to the external drive, you'll need to select Allow. Now you may get this pop-up as well, in case you don't have the Roku Media Player already added, so just choose Launch. You can also find the Roku Media Player by opening Streaming Channels, then in the top free category. Just select it and choose Add App. So let's go ahead and open up the Media Player. And now you can either sort by media type or choose All, and then select your USB storage. Here you can view and play your photos, videos, and audio files. And that's all there is to it. So hope this video helped you out. Enjoy!